number 1, this is the Unit 7 test correction. So we're going to go through, highlight, or mark whatever I mark, write it down onto your paper. So number 1 says, Maggie painted a circle on the sidewalk with a radius of 5 feet. What is the area of the circle that she painted? Okay, so important information. So we have a radius of 5 feet. Okay, it's clearly a circle. What is the area of the circle? So I'm going to go ahead and draw that picture. I'm going to draw me a circle and then a radius, and I'm going to label that radius 5 feet. My pencil will be working here in a minute. Okay, so my area formula is area equals pi r squared. Okay, so we were told that we're going to use 3.14 for pi. My radius is a given. I don't even have to change anything. Write this down. Times 5 squared. Okay? So, order of operations tells me that I do 5 squared first. 5 squared is? 25. So, 3.14 times 25. Okay. Most of y'all probably got that far, hopefully. But if we multiply 3.14 times 25... you should get 7 plus 8 is 5. 15, carrier 1. This is 8. And then 1 plus 6 is 7. We have 2 decimal places. So 78.5, which is answer choice C. Okay, you take off the C. Hey. Number 2, a monster truck has a tire diameter of 5 feet. What is the circumference? Sorry, it's acting funny. What is the circumference of the monster truck? Okay, we're talking circumference. It's a different formula. Remember, I had formulas up here. So important information is diameter and then circumference. Our circumference formula is C equals pi D, because we're using diameter. So I'm going to draw my circle. I'm going to label it 5 feet. Okay? So right here, pi is 3.14. Diameter is 5. So all we're doing is multiplying 3.14 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Carrier 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7, and then 5 times 3 is 15. We have 2 behind our decimal there. We have 2 behind our decimal here, and it's 15.7, which is answer choice F. Number 3, a cookie cake has a diameter of 17 inches. Sean and his 3 friends evenly divide the cake into 4 quarter sections. What is the area of each quarter section? Okay, they gave you this. They said 4 quarter sections. What is the area of each? Okay, so we're finding the area of the circle, dividing by 4. So first of all, I'm going to draw my picture, and I'm going to label my diameter 14 inches. Okay, my formula is A equals pi r squared divided by 4. You still find the area of the entire circle, and then you divide it by 4. Okay, so this is 14 inches, just in case you can't read that. Okay, so my information, I know pi. Pi is 3.14. My radius, here's where a lot of the mistakes happen that I saw. It's not 14. It's half of the diameter, which is 7. So 7 squared divided by 4. Okay, order of operations tells us that 7 squared is 49. So 3.14 times 49 divided by 4. I can't divide 49 by 4 easily, so I'm not going to do that. If I could, I would simplify that and kind of eliminate that. But I'm going to do 3.14 times 49 first. And 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 1 plus 3. 9 times 3 plus 1. And I got 253, bless you, 0.86, okay? So once I do that, then I'm going to divide it by 4. Notice That answer's on there, isn't it? It's not. Mine's not moving very well. I don't know what the deal is. Nope, it's not. Did I do that right? I should have got 153. Okay, 153. My bad. It's not going to let me erase it. I carried and I shouldn't have. I don't know why I carried. I'm sorry. So 153.86 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, 4 will go into 33 8 times, which is 32. 4 goes into 18. We go ahead and just carry our decimal up, 16. And then 4 will go into 6 times. It's going to keep on going. Should go in here 5 times. So 38.465, which rounds to 38.47. Okay. Number 4. Debbie has a circular blanket with a radius of 10 yards. Okay. If she folds the blanket in half to create a semicircle, what is the area of the semicircle? Okay, so radius of 10 yards. So a circle, radius. This is, I just drew the diameter. Let me erase that. Okay, radius of 10 yards. Okay, and then we're looking for the semicircle, which is a half circle, guys, right? So our formula is area equals pi r squared divided by 2. Okay, so pi is 3.14. My radius is 10 squared, and we're going to divide that by 2. So 3.14 times 100 divided by 2. Now here's where I'm going to simplify, because I know 100 divided by 2 is what? 50. So simplify that down. So divide that and you get 3.14 times 50. And then multiply 3.14 times 50. 1, 2, 1, 2. We should have gotten 157, which is answer choice F. Okay. Number 5. The city of Dallas discovered a hole in the middle of the street with a radius of 4 feet. What is the approximate area of the board that will need to be completely covered? So we're covering the area. Here's the radius. It's just a simple pi r squared. Okay, so we know pi is 3.14. Our radius is 4 squared. So 3.4 squared is? Pedro, you should be writing everything down, bud. 3.14 times 16. Now it says approximate, so we're going to round to the closest one, which if we rounded 50.24 to the closest one, it would be answer choice A. Okay. Number 6. A steel pipe comes in different sizes. A common size to use for irrigation has a 4-inch diameter. A farmer needs to cap off the end of the irrigation pipe. In order to do so, he must find the circumference of the pipe. Okay, so information. We are doing circumference of a 4-inch diameter. So if I draw my circle and I label it out, this is 4 inches. My formula is pi d, right? So C equals 3.14 times 4. Okay, 3.14 times 4. And we got 12.56. It says approximate again, so we would round that to what? 13. Number 7, Gene's rotating sprinkler waters his lawn for a radius of 5 feet. What is the maximum area of square feet? He can expect 2 sprinklers. That's where I think most of y'all were getting this one wrong. So you find the area of a circle and has a radius of 7 feet. Okay, so your pi r squared. But then you're going to multiply your answer times 2. Yes, sir.
You don't really have to multiply. I
You can go back in a little bit and watch the video. Okay. So 3.14 times 7 squared is what? So what's 7 squared? 49. 3.14 times 49. So when we multiply those together, I think we've already multiplied this actually.
That's what I did. Maybe the other answer.
Well, because then you didn't multiply it by 2. I did. I'm okay with you looking back and seeing if you multiplied it, but then you didn't do the second step because you thought you had the answer. Right? So 153.86, this is the one I messed up on a while ago. Okay, so 153.86, but that's for our answer for one area. We have 2 sprinklers, so it's multiplied by 2. 307.72, which is answer choice D. Okay?